Welcome to the sought-after community of Fremont. Surrounded by nature with an abundance of restaurants, shops, you have everything you need right within walking distance, and there's still lots more coming. Families love the amenities that are literally steps away. The clubhouse features an outdoor pool, playroom, basketball court, gym, meeting room, and lounge, which are air-conditioned as well. You also have a dog washing station, park, and Traboulay Trail right along the Pitt River. To schedule your own private showing, let's connect.